You have an idea for an app, but building it feels huge. So many files to write? What if one prompt did it? Claude builds the whole thing, files and all. Let's see how. It plans the full app. You say build, name the app, like calc.py. Claude makes a plan, then the files. You describe the app you want in one sentence. Claude figures out the parts. It makes every file it needs, all from a single idea. Claude builds an app from one prompt. For example, say build a tip calculator, just that one line, and Claude does the rest. Your prompt, the idea, the app shipped. Describe the app. Claude plans it. The files appear, ready to run. So why is this powerful? Setting up an app takes time. Folders, files, wiring. Your idea shipped, all from one prompt. A full app, many files. Built in moments. Try it now. Type build, then describe your app. One sentence to a runnable app. So that's building from a description. Next up, writing effective prompts.